the Asian Apprenticeship Awards 2018 in association with the Royal Air Force. The Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice Awards 2018.
Okay, we move on to our next category, and it's for engineering and manufacturing, Susie.
That's right. The sponsor for the category is JTL, one of the largest work-based learning providers in England and Wales, working with over 3,000 businesses from large corporations to small local suppliers. They train more apprentices than anyone else in the building services, engineering sector, and are proud to be leading investors in equality, diversity, and inclusion.
To present the award on behalf of JTL, please can we welcome on stage John Graham, please.
And while John makes his way to the stage, let's take a look at the shortlisted apprentice nominees.
The Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentices finalists are Munesh Mistry of Novelis, Arandeep Lally of Bombardier Transportation, Lukman Hussain of Gledhill Road Garage, Imran Lulat of Jaguar Land Rover, Ahmed Munshi of BAE Systems, and Sujan Pakrin of the Royal Air Force.
Thank you. Brilliant.
And the winner of the Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice of the Year is Ahmed Munshi.
Well done. Well done to Ahmed. Am I right in saying, Ahmed? Do you want to tell him? Can I tell him?
You can tell him.
He's the owner of room key number 504. Tonight is your night, Ahmed. In so many ways.
Now, the judges said they're very hard-working and great role models as apprentices. Ahmed had the judges gripped with his story about why he chose to do an apprenticeship and his grandmother having her reservations, encouraging him to follow the traditional route through university. Ahmed, however, knew he wanted to do an apprenticeship and was adamant he was going to succeed and show people the benefits of doing an apprenticeship as opposed to going to university. The judges believe Ahmed can go home proud tonight and show his grandmother what he has achieved through his apprenticeship.
Well done. Well done. Yeah. Congratulations. Well done to Ahmed then. Enjoy the rest of your night. Go run the bar. Go run the bar, son. Go run the bar.
And I'm now here with the winner.
Ahmed Munshi,
And you have won the award for...
Engineering and Manufacturing.
So how did you get nominated for this award?
Well, my inspiration was my family initially. Coming from an Asian background, my family really wanted me to do university instead of going towards the apprenticeship route. However, BAE offered me the best of both worlds. They offered me the uni aspect, and they also offered me the work the work aspect as well. So I got both sides of everything really. So I do 1 day uni and 4 days work with them right now in project management.
Oh wow, so what would you say, what kind of tips would you give to future apprentices?
I definitely say do your research. I tell that to many people, that when you're actually there at the assessment centre, a lot of people take it for granted. You know, it's their first interview, they're 16, 17, 18. But I definitely say do your research and know your facts about any company, whether it's BAE Systems, whether it's any other company that you're applying to. Because when they're looking at you, they're thinking, how can this person fit within our culture?
And what are you going to do to celebrate?
Maybe go out with my family.
Well, congratulations again and enjoy the rest of the evening. Well done. Thank you.
The Asian Apprenticeship Awards 2018 in association with the Royal Air Force.